Welcome to my Cellhire eSIM review. Find product links below. Cellhire provides eSIMs for international travelers needing easy, reliable connectivity. Perfect for tourists, business travelers, or anyone needing flexible data on the go. Cellhire stands out with diverse country-specific and regional data plans, so you find the perfect fit for your trip. Setup is simple. Buy your plan, scan the QR code on your eSIM-enabled device, and connect in minutes, no physical SIM needed. I was impressed with Cellhire's coverage and speed, especially in Europe and North America. I enjoyed stable 4G LTE in major cities and surprisingly good signal even in less populated areas. Streaming, navigation, and browsing were all consistently smooth. Cellhire partners with top local carriers, giving you access to the best networks and minimizing coverage gaps. Pricing is transparent, with no hidden fees. Competitive rates are available for short trips, longer stays, and regional bundles. Easily manage and monitor your data usage in real time, and top up as needed, avoiding costly overages. Overall, Cellhire eSIM is a great choice for reliable connectivity abroad. Its flexible country and regional plans make it easy to stay connected. If you need a dependable eSIM offering good value and performance, definitely check out Cellhire.